Who proposed the theory of evolution known as Lamarckism? A. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. B. Charles Darwin. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Alfred Russel Wallace. The correct answer is A. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Where is the object always placed according to the Cartesian sign convention for spherical lenses? A. On the right side of the lens. B. At the optical center of the lens. C. On the left side of the lens. D. At the focal point of the lens. The correct answer is C. On the left side of the lens. What term is used to describe the combining capacity of an element, as listed in the concept map? A. Valency. B. Variable valency. C. Chemical formula. D. Types of ions. The correct answer is A. Valency. What is mentioned as a potential problem that consumers need protection from in relation to food? A. Fraudulent adulterants. B. Nutritional deficiencies. C. Excessive food advertising. D. Seasonal food shortages. The correct answer is A. Fraudulent adulterants. The text connects the rise of new intellectual awakening to what kind of practices? A. Exploitative. B. Spiritual. C. Meditative. D. Philosophical. The correct answer is A. Exploitative. How many legal experts of the drafting committee are mentioned? A. 7. B. 6. C. 5. D. 8. The correct answer is B. 6. Under which article of the Constitution can the President proclaim a national emergency? A. Article 360. B. Article 345. C. Article 352. D. Article 356. The correct answer is C. Article 352. If an atom has a mass number, A, of 16 and an atomic number, Z, of 8, how many neutrons does it have? A. 0. B. 16. C. 8. D. 24. The correct answer is C. 8. Which element is abbreviated as Bi? A. Bismuth. B. Beryllium. C. Boron. D. Bromine. The correct answer is A. Bismuth. Which book was published by Penguin? A. Europe since Napoleon. B. The Age of Extremes. C. World History in the 20th Century. D. The Oxford Illustrated. The correct answer is A. Europe since Napoleon. Which direction is the desert primarily located in Western Australia? A. Southeast. B. Northeast. C. Northwest. D. Southwest. The correct answer is A. Southeast. Which Pallav king was a contemporary of Charlemagne? A. Dantivarman. B. Mahendravarman I. C. Nandivarman II. D. Narsinghavarman I. The correct answer is C. Nandivarman II. What term describes something showing enmity or dislike? A. Hostile. B. Stringent. C. Akin. D. Prominence. The correct answer is A. Hostile. What is the name for the small stretch of repeated sequences that accounts for individual DNA variation? A. Bulk genomic DNA. B. Coding DNA. C. Mitochondrial DNA. D. Satellite DNA. The correct answer is D. Satellite DNA. Which food item is specified as suitable for consumption by a person suffering from dehydration? A. Chicken. B. Fish. C. Human body. D. Tomato. The correct answer is D. Tomato. What law do electrostatic forces between 2-point charges obey? A. Newton's third law. B. Archimedes' principle. C. Ohm's law. D. Hooke's law. The correct answer is A. Newton's third law. What is the appearance of frozen pure ethanoic acid? A. Glacier-like flakes. B. Liquid drops. C. Powdery. D. Crystalline blocks. The correct answer is A. Glacier-like flakes. Which hemisphere contains most of the South American continent? A. Western Hemisphere. B. Eastern Hemisphere. C. Southern Hemisphere. D. Northern Hemisphere. The correct answer is C. Southern Hemisphere. Which ancient ruler is mentioned as giving up war after achieving victory? A. Emperor Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Samudragupta. D. Akbar. The correct answer is A. Emperor Ashoka. What is the final destination within a neuron for an electrical impulse before it affects another neuron? A. Axonal terminal end. B. Cell body. C. Synapse. D. Dendritic tips. The correct answer is A. Axonal terminal end. Which state is the only one in India to adopt universal PDS? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Which instrument is used to find the weight of an object? A. Vernier caliper. B. Screw gauge. C. Measuring tape. D. Spring balance. The correct answer is D. Spring balance. Which unit listed is a submultiple of 10 used for measuring distances like the size of a nucleus? A. Fermi. B. Astronomical unit. C. Millimeter. D. Centimeter. The correct answer is A. Fermi. Which container is suitable for storing drinking water? A. Secure containers. B. Open bowls. C. Plastic bags. D. Cardboard boxes. The correct answer is A. Secure containers. Who coined the phrase unity in diversity? A. Sardar Patel. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. What specific type of plastic is mentioned in relation to new rules and education? A. Industrial plastics. B. Biodegradable plastics. C. Recycled plastics. D. One-time use plastics. The correct answer is D. One-time use plastics. Which of these is not listed as an inexhaustible resource? A. Soil fertility. B. Sunlight. C. Wind power. D. Wildlife. The correct answer is B. Sunlight. Devgiri became which stronghold of Alauddin Khalji's growing kingdom? A. The first. B. The third. C. The second. D. The last. The correct answer is C. The second. What was signed after the surrender of Lord Cornwallis? A. The Treaty of Paris. B. The Declaration of Independence. C. The Constitution. D. The Treaty of American Rights. The correct answer is A. The Treaty of Paris. How many wheels does the Chandrayaan-3 Pragyan rover have? A8, B5, C4, D6. The correct answer is D6. How did you score?